Is Chino's housing market starting to shift, or are we gearing up for another round of price increases before the year ends? In today's update, I'll break down the latest numbers, the hidden trends, and what I think is coming next so you can make the smartest move possible. Hi, I'm Christian Medina, your Chino neighbor and local real estate expert, helping you buy smart, sell smart, and move smart. If you're thinking about buying or selling or relocating in Chino or anywhere here in the Inland Empire, this monthly update is your insider's edge. Let's start with prices. The median home price in Chino for August 2025 came in at $731,000, which is down 6.10% compared to July and down 4.7% from this time last year. We're also down year over year for the counties of San Bernardino and Riverside. Why does that matter? Well, month-to-month changes show us how the market is behaving right now, while year over year tells us if we're seeing a longer-term trend. Here's the story. Last summer, demand was super high and inventory was tight, pushing prices up quickly. This year, inventory has improved a bit, but not enough to cause a big drop. So while we might see little dips here and there, sellers in some areas are still holding most of the cards. Next, let's talk days on market. Right now, homes are selling about 32 days on average. That's a day faster than last month. What's interesting is if a home sells within the first 2 weeks, it's usually because it was priced right and presented well. Homes that linger past 30 days, buyers often see that as a chance to negotiate. You'll see here that San Bernardino County is about 45 days and Riverside County is at about 49 days. Our inventory level sits at around 4 months of supply. A balanced market is about 5 to 6 months of inventory. So if we're below that, it's still leaning toward a seller's market. This is important because it helps you know how aggressive to be, whether you're buying or selling. Here, you'll see San Bernardino County is at 5.4 months and Riverside County is at 4.3 months. All right, let's address the big elephant in the room, mortgage rates. As of this month, rates are hovering around 6.487% for a 30-year FHA, which has made some buyers hit pause. But here's the twist. Serious buyers are still out there, especially those relocating from Los Angeles County and the coastal cities, because Chino still offers more home for their money. That's why we're still seeing strong activity in the $600,000 to $800,000 range, especially for homes with 4 bedrooms and move-in ready condition. As of today's date here, August 13th, a 30-year FHA loan is estimated at 6.371%. These numbers are not exact, so don't quote me. So if you'd like to get a more precise number for you, send me a message and I will connect you with one of my lenders. Are higher mortgage rates making you wait to buy, or are you still in the market? Let me know in the comments below. By the way, if you want to see exactly what's for sale right now in Chino, I've linked my free Chino relocation and buyer's guide below. It includes neighborhood breakdowns, school info, and the latest home prices. Check it out after this video. All right, one thing I always keep an eye on is new construction because it can change the market dynamic. In August, builders here in Chino are still actively releasing phases in newer communities. If you'd like to know more about those, contact me and I can share with you who they are. These communities are offering incentives like closing cost credits or rate buydowns, which can be a game changer if you're trying to keep your monthly payment manageable. If you want those deals, timing matters. Once those homes are gone, the incentives usually disappear along with them. All right, so what's next? Based on the trends, I expect prices to hold steady through the fall, with possibly softening in certain segments if rates stay elevated. However, if the Fed signals a rate drop before the holidays, we could see a late year surge in buyer activity. For sellers, that means your best window may be in the next 60 to 90 days before holiday slowdowns. For buyers, that means you could either lock in now to avoid competition or wait and risk more bidding wars if rates do improve. If you found this update helpful, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss my monthly Chino market updates. And if you're planning to move in the next year, download my free Chino relocation and buyer's guide. It's in the description and pinned in the comments. Once again, my name is Christian Medina, helping you buy smart, sell smart, and move smart here in Chino and in the Inland Empire. See you guys on the next video.